Okay, now I'm gonna make something also very interesting for recovering after our exercise of today. We can make something with some high protein on it. I will add here some Greek yogurt on this bowl, and I will mix it with some kind of very sweet thing, but it's not bad. It is really healthy because it will be honey, so that will be okay. In the meantime, I have made the base of it, which is dates and some nuts. Yes, there are dates and some nuts here. You mix it with the blender. Okay, you mix it very well, and when you have mixed the nuts and the dates, you have this together. So you can mix it very well on a normal blender, or if you have some other thing that can help you, you can do this. Then the next step is taking the Greek yogurt on the bowl. Yes, I'll try to mix it together. So you put it all of it as much as you can, not leaving too much, because we don't want something for the waste. Okay, so this is the Greek yogurt. Then I will be adding here 2 eggs, a little bit more extra protein, 1 and 2. Okay, then we will add this, because this will be the dessert for today, but the main dish will be something else, will be chicken, but that will be for another time. I just want to show you something. If you have some sweet craving, honey, Greek yogurt, 2 eggs, I'm just adding about 1.5 spoon of honey. Very good. And then I will be adding a little bit, just a little bit of stevia. Okay, don't mind about the bitterness of the stevia. Sometimes I'm not adding too much, just a little bit of it. Okay, and then just to continue with the healthy mindset, I will put on also some brown sugar, just 1 spoon, or maybe 1 spoon or 2, depending on how you want it to taste. Okay, so with all this together, you add also 2 spoons of cornstarch, maicena durriera o la que quieras, 1 and 2. Okay, then we will mix all of this together, all the ingredients together. I like to put something on the base for making it, so then it's not moving. Okay, now you mix it all as much as you can. The kitchen is saying hello to me. And then in the meantime, you taste. If you want to add a little bit more of honey, you can. That is not a problem. I will already start warming up the oven, because in a couple of minutes we are ready. So we have again here, I have something strange here. Okay, maybe something, there was like a black dot on it, so I don't know what it was. Anyway, I took it off. What we have here, to recapitulate, to summarize again, we have here 2 eggs, we have honey, we have 1 or 2, depending on the sweet taste you want to give, 2 spoons of brown sugar, non-refined, you have 2 spoons of cornstarch. You mix it all, and then you taste it to see. I like it. Yeah, I think it's gonna be very good. I can already taste when it's finished. So once this is all mixed together very well, try to use your biceps, your arm, your whole body weight can move with it as much as you want. Okay, so everything is totally mixed. Then you will add this to the base of the dates and the nuts together. Okay, that's what we will do now. Immediately putting all this here, you will see how beautifully it's gonna be mixing. The tastes, when you taste it finally, and for the final touch, when this is ready, you add some framboise, some red fruits on it, on top of it, when it's out of the oven, and you will see that you will want to make it every time, once again, and once. Perfect. So this is going to be in the oven from now on, and you will see the result. So keep watching on the histories what it will be. The result will be, I think it will be nothing to regret. So oven is at 180, depending on your oven, so it will be ready in about 40-45 minutes. You can always try to see the consistency. If it is too solid, it means it's ready. If it is too watery, then it's not yet ready. So have luck with it. If you also make it, let me know, so you can tell me if it was delicious as you expected it to be.